Okay, so now I want to show it to you how we want to find the standard deviation, alright, in our Jupyter notebook here. So please make sure that you have the sample file, that is a tip.csv. Right, you go to the new button, alright, choose Python 3, alright, and then what we should do here first is we need to import our data set into our Jupyter notebook. So please remember to use the libraries of pandas. Okay, alright, and then I want to show means directly, because I know that standard deviation is under statistic library, so I directly import statistics here. Okay, statistics. Okay, so shift enter, so everything is okay. So what we need to do now is, okay, don't forget to import your data, all right, into your Jupyter notebook, sorry. Okay, so what we should do is a tf, okay, so panda will read the CSV file. Okay, so what is our name? Okay, the file name is a tip.csv. Okay, shift enter. Alright, so now we want to find the standard deviation. Okay, so what is the syntax? It's a standard deviation standard deviation STDEV. Okay, statistics. Okay, standard deviation, all right, and then as a TF. Okay, the column name that we want to find, okay, is the total bill. All right, so from here, all right, I want to directly print the output with 3 decimal places. So what is the syntax? So it's print, okay, standard deviation for total bill, okay, is, and don't forget it must be inside the curly bracket column, all right, full stop, okay, as I said earlier, is a 3 decimal places, all right, and then dot format, all right, and that is a STDEV. Okay, so shift enter. All right, so now you can display the output, all right, of standard deviation with 3 decimal places.